What's up guys, it's a new day, and for those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Saidi and I should probably put on a shirt. Guys, so I just got ready, I'm about to head out, assist one of my friends in his film today, so it's gonna be kind of a different vlog. We're gonna do some shots on set, and you're gonna see me on set guys, you're gonna see me on set. We're gonna be all cool and doing all set things, just being on set guys, so stay tuned. This is what happens when you're on the film set, like the day before you have to do gear check. So here's the scene, I'm just assisting him. What's up guys?
Sliders. It's got a lens, that's got a lens cap. It's got a matte box, Nikon.
Those are tracks, the tracks are not using the tracks. These are a bunch of stands, these are lights. The 2K, I don't even know if I should tell you what lights they are. Just look at these are lights, different lights for different.
But if you say 2K, they'll think you're talking about quality.
Nah,
bro.
well, it's kilowatts. Okay, yeah, it's just a bunch of lights. This is a diffuser, this reduces the amount of light. This is a flag. And then, yeah, it's a flag. Reduces the amount of light, although sometimes it stops the light. Bunch of cables, sandbags, reflectors. Alright guys, so I didn't say I was a good cine, but I know this is a 650 because it's rated 650 on the thing. Strike it. Yeah, it does work.
Oh, hey, face it on you some more, bro. Whoa,
Depends on how I put
damn,
it.
sir.
Yeah, but it,
Hi, pizza people.
What? Okay.
Your parents have the pizza, but hi, I am TT Misago. I know what I was gonna say. Shout out, follow them, subscribe, like, comment, do all the YouTube things. Yes, put the reflector on. Yes. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
draw the
yeah.
purple
Yo,
hair.
that looks sick.
That's it. Honestly.
Ah, the reflector is gone.
the rest of our crew dead.
Oh.
Yeah. Deep stuff. Did I even film that?
Oh.
Mind blown.
Mind blow, guys. Mind blow.
Yo guys, I don't know if you know, but this gate is automatic. My key just doesn't work, and my landlord doesn't want to give me a key, so. Oh, gotta close it. We're good now.
We're good.
We're live.
So you see the clouds on the mountain, right? Why is it that there are no clouds anywhere else, but they just hover on top of the mountain? What causes that?
Because the mountain is like the water, like a lot of water is from the mountain. Like I've ever had mountain water.
I've never
It's
heard of
it's very healthy, bro. Like the minerals, everything from the mountain is in the water, and you drink it. It's healthy, it's fresh, tasty as fuck, like tasty water, bro. It evaporates, you know what I mean? So it evaporates around the mountain because it's from the mountains and around the mountain.
So the evaporation forms the clouds.
Yeah, just around the mountain. And
Just
then,
around the
but like
mountain.
yeah,
Look
and
at
then-
that. Look.
and
But it doesn't go away, it just stays around the mountain.
it's like it has.
There's more to the clouds over the mountain than
There's a man with a stick. And
yeah,
he's like,
there's someone like Moses, dog. Like that just happened back in the day with Moses. Like used to go on the mountain and clouds would like.
Yo, Maseko, man, you know
See.
Maseko.
Oh yeah, I know myself.
Music like in the air, and we decided to find out where that music is coming from, and we came here. Baxter Theatre. So now we think the sound's coming from here, so we're gonna check. Baxter Cinematics. Got into the Baxter Theatre. Look at all these lights. Fun fact guys, did you know that each of these bulbs costs about 30 million per square kilometer?